If you don't hold it, I promise you it's gonna fall. I've seen hundreds of them fall. If you don't want to hold your gun anymore, you can tuck it up in here where the strap is, like up against that strap, so it won't fall. Just don't leave it sitting there. That's it. Let's have some fun.
We've got 10 minutes, guys. enjoy the show.
10 minutes. Yep. That's why we gotta be quiet so they get comfy. There's ducks decoying. Preston has to look at these ducks. Ooh. He's got to turn the mojos on. Preston, you got ducks landing on your head. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is what we always experience when we come here. The early mornings like this, you gotta be ready. Because if you ain't ready right at shooting light, you're gonna miss a bunch of shooting opportunities just like this. Seen teal in a while. Here we go. It is shooting light now. 5. The first shot, this place is gonna erupt. Holy smokes. Look at this group on the left. Little slow start here. Well, it seems like it always happens, you know?
There's plenty of birds, we just gotta get them out of the way.
Yeah. Shoot that duck in front. Low. Good shot.
He's gonna do a little tumble in the trees.
Okay, well, four ducks down. I forgot to turn on the camera. We're going. Fred has retrieved a gadwall. Sorry for not getting the GoPro on. We've been busy here. It got a little wild. On the right here. Jeez. Come on, get him in here, Eamon team. Get him in here, would you? Ah, there's a creek on the back side of this, like every time. Once 10 ducks land in it, everything that keeps coming just keeps going to the creek.
Pretty much.
We just need to keep shooting like once every 5 minutes and we keep them out of there. Right?
That's the idea.
Shoot him. Nice. Dead bird. Why don't they die here, dude? Why don't they die? Yeah, they crump and then they swim every time here. Yeah. Fred's going on a long one. Real long one. He's gonna have to go up on that other bank and find him. See how he does here.
He saw it.
Yeah, he's seen it. He'll go to the bank. See, and at this point, I don't say anything. If I say anything, I completely interrupt him.
Yeah.
Let him do his job. There you go, buddy.
Nice.
Come on, buddy. There you go. Fetch it up. Good. Hold. Here. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. That's a good dog. Look at that.
Really good.
He did awesome. Don't let it go, buddy. That bird will dive so fast. It ain't dead. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Heel. Drop. Old Henny. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. He is juiced up. Look at you, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Really? Shoot him right there, shoot him. Fred. Woo! There we go. Yeah, when he put his feet down, I'm like, oh, just go. Shoot that bird. Good job, good shooting. Well, there we go. Look at that gaddy. Show everybody. Show everybody that stud. That's beauty, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. Beauty.
I love
If
those.
someone wants to mount a gadwall, that's the one. Because it is a chubby and it ain't messed up. Good, Fred. Good. Here. Good boy. Old Frederick's doing good. Come on, Fred. Come. Another gadwall. Come on. Come on. Drop. God, aren't they pretty? Dude, gadwall are the most underrated duck. Look at his feathers. They're the most defined duck. Beautiful, man. Yep.
He got hit like 4 times.
Yeah, he ain't as nice as the other one. There we go. It's going good. You all know what to do. Come on now. Shoot him over the top. Oh, goodness. Oh, boy. What happened? What happened?
That makes no sense.
Hey, maybe.
That makes no sense.
We had to take the shot.
Yeah, you got it, yeah.
Oh, that sounded like an arsenal. We got the military out here.
There you got it.
Hit, set, place.
Right in front of it.
Shoot that one. Oh man. Good. Well, that was.
ML.
Oh my. FML is right.
Did they get any?
I'm trying to stay PG over here.
Did they get any?
FM.
We got one. Shoot him. Fred.
You got it.
I didn't pull.
There we go.
Someone
That mallard did it nice. That was
Someone
good. That's
hit
how
it
they
on the
should
way
do it
down.
right there. That was good.
That's what we need.
We need
Now-
decoy and mallards just like that.
Yep.
That's our first greenhead.
I know. We need them
That's
coming
a
in
green head?
groups. The
Yep.
problem right now is we're getting singles and there's groups behind it. We don't want
Right.
to pass them up.
Right. Good. Oh, it ain't a
Son
green
got
head.
me blind, man.
Is it?
I'm like, what? I don't even know what kind of bird
Oh, yeah, it
coming
is.
down.
Yeah, it is. Come on, buddy.
I'm like,
Hold. Oh, no, I didn't say drop, dude. Look at that stud. Look how big his neck is, dude.
Fat boy.
That is a fat boy. Look at that big old guy.
Is that a
Big
goose?
old dude.
we got two up top. Two ducks up top.
No, too high. Shoot him. Nice. Nice.
Double
Fred.
tap. I love that.
There we go.
Yeah.
I didn't think you guys were going to go after the tall one. What are you shooting?
Duck on the water.
Oh, trying to kill it? That'll work. Good, good. Here. Good, here. Drop.
Man.
Fred. Come on, buddy. Drop. Look at that big old stud muffin, dude. Wow. Man, I kind of want to mount some of these and put them in the lodge. Dude, stud muffin. He needs his neck wrung. Yeah, oh yeah, use your deal. I might, you know what? We might keep him, man. We'll put him in the lodge. That's a stud muffin mallard. I don't have many mallards in the lodge. Unless you guys want them. Come on, buddy. Come on. Good boy. Good. A lot of you probably wondering why we don't have a vest on Fred today. Unfortunately, with his hip dysplasia, I can't run a vest on him anymore because it restricts his movement too much, and it'll honestly just not help the situation. He'll get real sore, and honestly, it just doesn't do any good. So while he's sitting here, I'm always rubbing him real hard, petting him down. Y'all gotta let me know if there's like a good, two out front. If there's a good method, like a blanket, I could put it over, like a heated battery-powered blanket I could put on him while he's sitting here. I think that'd be cool, keep him warm. Oh, landed in.
Some decoys?
Yeah, I was gonna spread them out. I'm gonna stay. We're gonna spread some decoys out. They're a little tight. But here's the spread. P. Diddy, you know him and his electric decoys. He bought 2 more butt squirters. All kinds of motion out here. How many? Huh? 3 more? You got a weird addiction with them water motion decoys, buddy. That's weird they do that. They just go right by and they go land all the way up in the cove by themselves. No other birds around.
Loner.
One day we piled up the crows doing that here. Wild duck hunting, dude, it was cool. We could have shot the one earlier. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Up top. Nice shot.
Beautiful. Fred loves that one.
That's an easy word.
Fred loves.
Oh, there he already picked it up. Good boy, good boy. Get in. Sit.
Oh, that's that one that got up. He got up in that.
No, I thought he was gonna come right at us. Susie
Yep.
Killers.
Another Susie. Is that Gadwall over there still? No. Sit. Right here, please.
I tried.
Man, that Susie did it perfect. That was awesome. You were just making sure it wasn't gonna swim away on old Frederick. That's what you were doing. Here, place. Good boy. Shoot him. Fred. Got all three, huh? That was a lot of shotgun shells, boys.
Yeah, we got them.
At least you killed them all.
2 swimmers.
Hey, shoot that one.
Shoot the ones on the right.
Shoot that one. Just one person. Shoot it. Hurry. Shoot it again. There you go. You got it.
The other one's swimming too.
Shoot the other one to the right. Good boy. Drop. Dude, I'm not trying to be selfish or anything, but I don't want to say I deserve it, but man, you deserve a banded duck off this thing.
Oh, wouldn't that be cool?
How many ducks have you shot, you know, over the years?
A lot.
A lot. Never a band.
Thousands.
God, it'd be awesome, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Whole Fred, man, he's a champ. Pretty chilly today. What's the temperature? Probably 35 or something now.
Yeah.
This morning it was in the 20s, but pretty chilly. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Here, hold it. Drop. Good boy, dingle.
Let's see if we can get
We got a lot of birds here. Sit, Fred.
Oh.
There's a pintail right there. Yeah, we gotta wait. You want to shoot this 4-pack if they do it right?
Yeah, I think 4.
Oh, look at that. Look at this. Shoot him right there, shoot him. Nice. Fred. Good. Shoot that duck on the water, shoot that duck. Load your guns.
What a... Oh, that was
Good, here. You guys tore him up pretty darn good there.
That's what it's all
How
about.
many did you drop? 4, 5? Good, here. Come on, buddy. Here. Drop.
Hey, there's some...
Here. Sit.
Yeah, I bet that can get me going.
There we go. Shoot him.
Yes!
Was that the redhead?
Oh, they're both down!
Yeah.
They're both down!
I think
Here, Fred, here. Good boy, here. I hope that's a redhead. It looked like a Drake mallard.
They came down and just buzzed in water.
No.
Who's a redhead?
One should be a redhead and the other is a mallard, I thought. Good, come on. We'll see what this is, but I hope it's a redhead. We haven't, oh, it is. It's a redhead. It has been forever. Oh, wait, that ain't a redhead. That's a dang. That's you. That's what that is. That's a ring neck. Here, Fred, dead bird. That was awesome. Right here, just squat down. Fred's doing so good today. I am proud of him. Come on. Jeez, you guys some Susie killers out here, man. Dang. A lot up top. Here, Fred, here. Here. Sit right here, place. Come on. Where are you going? Over here. Drop. This is your, dude, this is your place. You can shoot whatever you want.
He would have been dead. That's a wall mounter.
Crow?
Yeah. Get that looking one. He's all plumed out.
Wall mount a crow. Oh God, that would be something. So on a scale from 1 to 10, how happy are you to be duck hunting and not goose hunting today?
Dude, unbelievably.
We were ready for a duck hunt.
I was burnt out with geese.
The goose hunting's been good and all, but man, my lips, my mouth, my lungs need a break on the goose call. Man, I have a blister right here from yesterday. I just called so much and so hard. So nice to get out here on some ducks. You all know Crescent's Watershed. It always provides really, really awesome duck hunts. 3 out front, boys. I don't know what it is about that spot.
There's a bunch over there.
Oh, there's a bunch of ducks already on it. God, they love it over there. Oh, look at this. We're gonna have to let them just work and see if they're gonna like it naturally, because I really can't call anymore. It's too echoey. Look at this one, he likes it. Oh, they're like it. Look at him sitting up. Oh no.
Top left.
Holy cow. Yeah, they were. Oh, look at that in front. Look at the.
Yeah, they're circling. They're circling.
Ready, guys?
They're circling.
Shoot them over the top right here. Watch out. Yep. Yep. Oh, what's that doing there? That's supposed to go up here. Little diver. Look at that. So y'all have been here with us a bunch. This type of pile, gadwalls, mallards, some Suzy Q's. What's new this time is that we actually got into the geese. I was not able to film that. I was busy.